Welcome to Futex. In recent years, the concept of a flying board has captured the imagination of people around the world. With the ability to soar through the air like a superhero, this technology promises to revolutionize the way we move around. A flying board, also known as a hoverboard or jet board, is a type of personal transportation device that allows the rider to fly through the air. It typically consists of a board or platform that hovers above the ground using some form of propulsion, such as jet or fan power. The rider stands on the board and controls its movement using body weight and/or handheld controls. There are several benefits to using a flying board for transportation. One of the main advantages is speed. With the ability to travel at high speeds through the air, riders can bypass traffic and congestion on the ground. This could potentially cut down on commute times and reduce the environmental impact of transportation. Another benefit is versatility. Flying boards can be used in a variety of settings, from urban areas to rural environments. They can also be used for leisure activities, such as recreation and sports, even for Mars. One future concept is the Mars Hopper, a prototype developed by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, that uses a flying board-like device to hop across the surface of Mars. The Mars Hopper is designed to explore areas of the planet that are difficult to access with traditional rovers, and can travel up to several hundred meters in a single hop. Finally, flying boards could have a significant impact on emergency response and rescue operations. With the ability to quickly navigate difficult terrain and reach remote areas, they could be a valuable asset in search and rescue missions. Top 7 major companies for flying board. Number 1. Gravity Industries. Gravity Industries is a UK-based technology company founded by inventor Richard Browning in 2017. The company has gained recognition for developing a jet suit, which is essentially a wearable flying machine that allows the user to take off and land vertically and fly at speeds up to 85 miles per hour. The jet suit consists of a lightweight exoskeleton worn by the user, which includes 4 arm-mounted miniaturized jet engines and a central engine mounted on the user's back. The user controls the flight using handheld throttles that control the engines. Gravity Industries has demonstrated the potential applications of the jet suit for various industries, including search and rescue, military, and entertainment. The company has also developed training programs to teach individuals how to fly the jet suit safely. Gravity Industries continues to innovate and improve their technology, with plans to develop a more powerful and efficient jet suit, as well as exploring the potential for electric-powered versions of their flying technology. Number 2. Zapata. Zapata. The Zapata Flipboard Air is a type of hoverboard that is powered by jet engines and is capable of flying up to 10,000 feet high. It was created by French inventor Frankie Zapata, who has a background in water sports and previously invented the flyboard, which allowed users to fly above the water using water jets. The Flipboard Air is a more advanced version of the flyboard, which uses jet engines instead of water jets to propel the device. Flipboard Air is a type of jet-powered hoverboard created by Zapata Industries. The Flipboard Air is capable of reaching a top speed of 87 miles per hour and can fly for up to 10 minutes, depending on the pilot's weight and the altitude at which it is flown. The device is powered by 4 small jet turbines that provide the lift needed to keep the board aloft. The Flipboard Air has been used for entertainment purposes in live shows and demonstrations, but there are also potential military and commercial applications for the technology. However, due to safety concerns and regulatory issues, the Flipboard Air is not available for personal use or commercial distribution. The Zapata Flipboard Air has captured the attention of many people around the world and has been used in various public events, including the 2019 Bastille Day Parade in France, where Zapata flew the device in front of French President Emmanuel Macron. The company continues to innovate and improve upon their technology, with plans to create a new type of flying car in the future. Number 3. HoverSurf. HoverSurf is a Russian-based technology company that specializes in the development of electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. The company was founded in 2014 and has since made a name for itself in the drone and aviation industries. HoverSurf first gained widespread attention in 2017 when it released a video of a prototype hoverbike that it had developed. The hoverbike, known as the Scorpion 3, uses 4 propellers to lift the rider off the ground and enable them to fly through the air. Since then, HoverSurf has continued to develop new eVTOL aircraft and has worked with a number of clients, including the Dubai Police, which has tested the Scorpion 3 as a potential tool for law enforcement. HoverSurf has also developed a number of other products, including the Formula Hoverbike, the drone taxi, and the cargo drone. In addition to its work in the drone and aviation industries, HoverSurf has also developed a range of products for the military and law enforcement sectors, including a tactical drone and a military hoverbike. The company is poised to make a major impact in the world of aviation in the years to come. Number 4. Jetpack Aviation. Jetpack Aviation is a company that specializes in the design and development of personal flying vehicles, including jetpacks and flying motorcycles. The company was founded in 2011 by David Mayman, an Australian entrepreneur and pilot, with the goal of creating safe, practical, and easy-to-use personal flying devices that could be used by anyone. Jetpack Aviation's flagship product is the JV-10 Jetpack, which is powered by 2 turbojet engines and is capable of flying for up to 10 minutes at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. The company has also developed a flying motorcycle called the Speeder, which uses 4 turbojet engines to lift off the ground and can reach speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. Jetpack Aviation has attracted interest from a wide range of customers, including the military, first responders, and recreational users. The company has also set several world records for jetpack flights, including the longest jetpack flight and the highest jetpack flight. Overall, Jetpack Aviation is one of the leading companies in the emerging field of personal flying devices and is continuing to innovate and push the boundaries of what is possible with these exciting new technologies. Number 5. Lift Aircraft. Lift Aircraft is an American aviation company founded in 2017 by Matt Chasin, a former Boeing engineer and entrepreneur. The company is based in Austin, Texas, and focuses on the development and production of electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL, aircraft, also known as Personal Electric Air Vehicles, PEVs. Lift Aircraft's flagship product is called the Hexa, which is a single-passenger eVTOL aircraft that looks like a giant drone with 18 rotors. The Hexa is designed to be flown by anyone with minimal training, and it has a top speed of 70 miles per hour and a flight time of around 10 to 15 minutes. The company aims to make personal air travel accessible to everyone and has plans to develop a network of aircraft amusement parks where people can learn to fly and rent Hexa aircraft for recreational purposes. Lift Aircraft has received funding from investors and is currently in the process of obtaining certification from the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, for its Hexa aircraft. Number 6. Omni Hoverboards. Omni Hoverboards is a company that develops a hoverboard that uses propellers for lift and can be controlled via a handheld remote. The company was founded by Alex Simon, who was inspired by the hoverboards in the movie Back to the Future. The Omni Hoverboard uses 4 electric motors to generate lift and is capable of flying up to 30 feet in the air for up to 12 minutes at a time. The board is controlled by a handheld remote that allows the user to adjust the board's speed and altitude. The company is currently working on developing a commercial version of the hoverboard that will be available for purchase. Number 7. Ehong. Ehong is a Chinese technology company that specializes in the development and manufacturing of autonomous aerial vehicles, commonly known as flying taxis. The company was founded in 2014 and is based in Guangzhou, China. Ehong's flagship product is the Ehong 216, a passenger drone that can carry 2 passengers and a small amount of luggage. The Ehong 216 has 16 electric motors and can fly up to 35 km per hour, 22 miles per hour, for 35 minutes on a single charge. The drone is equipped with a GPS system, a collision avoidance system, and a parachute for emergency landings. While flying boards are still in the early stages of development, there is no doubt that they have the potential to change the way we think about transportation. As technology advances, we can expect to see improvements in speed, range, and safety features. One possible future application for flying boards is as a last-mile transportation solution. By combining flying boards with existing transportation infrastructure, such as trains and buses, riders could seamlessly transition from one mode of transportation to another. This could make it easier for people to get around and reduce the need for individual cars. Another possibility is the use of flying boards in industries such as agriculture and forestry. By providing a bird's-eye view of crops and trees, farmers and foresters could quickly identify areas that need attention and take action to address them. The effects of flying boards on society. As with any new technology, there are potential downsides to the use of flying boards. One concern is safety. Flying boards can be dangerous if not used properly or if they malfunction. Additionally, there is the potential for noise pollution and disruption to wildlife habitats. There are also concerns about the impact on social norms and the potential for class divisions. Flying boards could become a luxury item that only the wealthy can afford, further exacerbating existing inequalities. However, with proper regulation and responsible use, these downsides can be minimized. The benefits of flying boards are clear, and as technology advances, we can expect to see more innovative uses for this exciting new technology. In conclusion, flying boards have the potential to revolutionize transportation and change the way we move around. While there are still challenges to overcome, the benefits are clear. With responsible use and regulation, flying boards could be a valuable tool for a variety of industries and applications. Thanks for watching.